Next, we have the new order button. Clicking on this allows you to make a new order. So to create a new order, our first step is going to be to find an account. And here you can actually either make a brand new account or you can find a previous account you've already set up in the system. So all, again, you have to do is start typing in client's information, select the account, and select the site. Again, you can make a brand new account and site right from there as well. And here you'll have the option to either copy an existing order or create a new order from scratch. So if clients ask you, hey, come out and do the exact same thing you did for me last time, you can simply copy that existing order, find the one that you're looking for, and it is selected and made for you. That simple. Otherwise, you can create a new order from scratch by adding in the order note, selecting what type of order it should be, estimate, work order, or invoice, and then adding in your line items. I'm just going to select a package for this one. Then when I click on the check mark, that is created. So my order is created. I can see that right here, and I can tap on this to view that order. Super simple.